Hey Jacob, what are you doing?
Can get some raisin down?
How did you make this?
Because we put them in and then they stop fizzing.
Oh, what's the next step? What do we have to wait for?
The eggs. Them to stop fizzing.
Yeah, when they stop fizzing, then what are we going to do?
Put the eggs in.
Yeah, we're going to add some water and then the eggs can go in. What does it smell like?
Minty. That's minty and minty. Ugh. That one is bubbly in my nose. Ooh, this one is my favorite smell.
The yellow one?
Yeah, the yellow one.
All right.
Ew. Ew.